Kia ora, welcome to 7 Norris Way, right here in Masterton. I'm Sarah Watson, and it's a pleasure to bring this beautiful 3-bedroom home to the market right here in the heart of Kuripuni. Come and take a look with me. Located in the exclusive Elmsted Estate subdivision and only minutes walk from popular Kuripuni Village, a phenomenal opportunity awaits those desiring a carefree lifestyle. Light-filled and with a contemporary aesthetic, security and comfort are assured in this often admired executive home. Multiple heating options include 2 heat pumps, wood burner and DVS system. Sun-soaked expansive formal living provides more than ample space to entertain and interconnects to open-plan kitchen and dining. All 3 bedrooms are generous in size and carefully considered, the master with ensuite and walk-in wardrobe. Functional tiled main bathroom plus the bonus of 3 toilets throughout. The gorgeous LED lights also make for a pleasant addition to the overall appeal of this home. Brilliant indoor-outdoor flow to the paved and partially covered patio and seating area where many a BBQ and G T will be enjoyed. Whether you are a retiree downsizing, a family or professional, you will find this property offers the complete package. I think we'll all agree that this is a fantastic home in an even better location. To find out more about this incredible property, call me, Sarah Watson. I can't wait to show you through.